Hi, welcome dear students. Today we are going to study a new topic about hydrogen. Hydrogen is the major component in the sun and stars. A very small quantity of hydrogen seen in the atmosphere in free state. Water is the major component of hydrogen. Water is the major component of hydrogen. Can you list some compounds containing hydrogen? Okay. The components are H2SO4, HCl, NH3, NaOH, protein, carbohydrate, etc. Can you say who was discovered hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766. The name hydrogen is derived from the word hydrogen, which means something that produces water. The name hydrogen is derived from the word hydrogen, which means something that produces water. Okay, then how was the preparation of hydrogen gas? Let's let
The following experimental setup shows the lab preparation of hydrogen using granulated zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. As you can see in the flat bottom flask, granulated zinc has been taken and through the funnel, dilute HCl is being dropped. The bubbles show that the reaction is in action. The setup has a delivery tube through which hydrogen gas is passing and through the beehive shelf is entering in the inverted jar and getting collected by downward displacement of water. In the setup, we need to make sure that it is absolutely leak proof, else hydrogen will leak out and may cause harm. Hydrogen which is being collected over here is moist. If we want to collect dry hydrogen, then it can be done by collecting it over mercury.
from this experiment. When we introduce a glowing matchstick at the mouth of the jar, can you say what happened? Burns with a pop sound. Presence of hydrogen that burns with a pop sound. Let's see the equation of chemical reaction. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. What are the reactants and products in this reaction? The reactants are Zn and HCl, and the products are ZnCl2 and H2, zinc chloride and hydrogen. During this chemical reaction, which atom replaces hydrogen in hydrochloric acid? That is, zinc takes place of hydrogen atom in hydrochloric acid molecule by replacing it. This type of reaction where an element in a compound is displaced by another element is called displacement or substitution reaction. That means the reaction where an element in a compound is displaced by another element is called displacement reaction or substitution reaction. Okay, can you say some other examples of displacement reaction? The examples are Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. 2 NaBr plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl2 plus Br2. CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. 2 NaBr plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl plus Br2. CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Okay, hope you understand the examples of displacement reaction. Next, next we check some other reactions of hydrogen. First is reaction of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water. This is an exothermic reaction. The chemical equation of reaction is 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus heat. 2H2O plus O2 gives 2H2O plus heat. Can you see the molecules of hydrogen and oxygen combine to form the new substance water? The molecules of hydrogen and oxygen combine to form the new substance water. The reaction in which two or more simple substances combine to form a compound is called a combination reaction. When a reaction in which two or more simple substances combine to form a compound is called a combination reaction. Another reaction is reaction between hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen combines with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to form hydrogen chloride. The chemical equation is H2 plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight gives 2HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives H2 plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight gives 2HCl. Isn't it? It is a combination reaction? Yes. Can you find other examples of combination reaction? Okay. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. H2S gives H2S. 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 2Na plus H2 gives 2NaH. CaO plus H2 gives CaOH twice. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. H2 plus S gives H2S, which means hydrogen sulfide. 2Na plus H2 gives 2NaH. NaH means sodium hydride. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. CaOH twice means calcium hydroxide. Okay, next we talk about the uses of hydrogen.